In the popular guarded gated community of Wingfield North is a private pool home on a corner lot offering over 5,100 square feet, high ceilings, semi-open floor plan and 3-car garage. Extensive use of glass doors encases the side and back of the 23 by 32 family room, 14 by 17 dine-in kitchen, separate breakfast room and guest areas providing many viewing opportunities of the screen-enclosed pool, patio, backyard and pond water frontage. Located in the Alaqua Lakes-Heathrow area, known for grand estate homes on large lots with beautiful scenic backgrounds, you will find a pleasant home nearby to signature golf courses, shopping and dining. Cathedral ceilings, transom windows and diagonal tile highlight a sizable foyer and formal spaces with fireplace. Just beyond the dining room is a screen private yoga meditation studio with terracotta flooring, enhanced and shaded with fresh air from mature trees. The 29 by 30 first floor multi-level owners retreat with fabulous two-sided fireplace. One side faces the soaking tub and separate seamless glass shower offering additional relaxation as the other adds warmth and comfort to the master bedroom including an extended seating area, oversized closet and access to an outdoor private meditation garden. The other 4 bedroom suites each feature a private bath as well. The open kitchen with center island downdraft cooking has a substantial full-size separate refrigerator and freezer, solid surface counters, built-in ovens, counter height serving buffets, new paint, and nearby full-size wet bar. Other magnificent features include updated master bath vanity with granite counters, bamboo flooring on the second floor, multiple storage closets.